Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah's big message on India-Pakistan ties. Omar says attacks didn't stop after Balakot. He says we had done strikes earlier as well. Did the attacks stop then? It's not stopped then, not stopped now. The government boastfully claims to strike Balakot, but terrorists and those incidents haven't stopped. So what really has happened? Well, Omar Abdullah there responding to the Indian Army and military action there. Of course, at this point, we know in the last few days, at least 5 of our Jawans have been martyred. Omar Abdullah speaking on that, saying that we've done multiple attacks. The government boasts of Balakot, but somehow these attacks haven't stopped. Says that India conducted several strikes, but attacks still continue. Listening.
जो लोग 370 के यहाँ से उड़ाने के बाद ये दावा कर रहे थे कि सारी मिलिटेंसी 370 के साथ जुड़ी हुई है और इसको हटाने के बाद जो है जम्मू कश्मीर जो है पूरी तरह से यहाँ पे अमन छाया रहेगा। ये सवाल आप उनसे करिए। हमने बार बार कहा है कि मिलिटेंसी का 370 से कोई लेन देन नहीं था, हटाने से भी मिलिटेंसी पे कोई खास असर नहीं पड़ेगा और ये साबित हुआ है। ये लोग लापरवाही कर रहे हैं, ये लोग अपने काम के तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे हैं, बाकी चीज़ों में लगे हुए हैं। आपके जो आला अफसर हैं उनको काम की तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं है, उनको हालात को सुधारने में जो रोल अदा करना चाहिए वो कर नहीं रहे हैं।
कैसे परिभाषा करते हैं मालूम नहीं, बद से बदतर कैसे हो गई है। हमने वो कश्मीर भी देखा है जिसके अंदर आतंकवादियों को दिल्ली में बैठ के बिरयानी खिलाने का काम हुआ करता था। वो कश्मीर भी देखा है जब बच्चों के हाथ में पत्थर हुआ करते थे और सैनिकों को मारने का काम किया करते थे। वो कश्मीर भी देखा है जहां हिंदुओं को चुन चुन के मारा जाता था, उनको पलायन कराया जाता था। वो कश्मीर भी देखा है जहां स्कूलों को आग लगाई जाती थी और ये लोग मजा लिया करते थे, विदेश यात्रा पे चलाए जाया करते थे। लेकिन आज कश्मीर 370 हटने के बाद में जिस प्रकार से विकास की ओर अग्रसर है, मुझे लगता है कि इन लोगों का काम खाली क्रिटिसाइज करना है। कश्मीर की जनता से इनका कोई लगाव लगाव नहीं है और इसी कारण से जनता इनको नकार भी चुकी है। पिछले चुनाव में भी इनको नकारा है, लेकिन इनका पाकिस्तान प्यार दिखाए समझ में नहीं आता कैसा प्यार है।
Let me cut across to Sunil Ji Bhatt joining us live for more on that. Sunil, give us more on what prompted the comment from Omar Abdullah. We know that several of our Jawans have been martyred, but at the same time, terrorists too have been neutralized. There has been large success achieved by the Indian Army. Give us more on what he said.
National Conference Vice President and former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, was reacting to the recent terror attack that took place in Katwa district of Jammu and Kashmir. He was saying that that the tall claims of the government have fallen flat. Terror continues to bleed Jammu and Kashmir. Omar Abdullah said that a new challenge has emerged. And the government was earlier claiming that after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, everything was normal. And Omar Abdullah claims that that's not the case, as terror activities have increased in many parts of Jammu and Kashmir. So he was saying that abrogation of Article 370 hasn't yielded the desired results for the government. But Nabila, the fact of the matter is that after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, there has been a major crackdown on terrorism, terror ecosystem. Separatists, their funding have been choked, and that is why we can see the semblance of normalcy in the Kashmir Valley. But now terrorists and Pakistan have changed strategy. They are focusing on Jammu region. So it has emerged as a big challenge for the security agencies. They are trying to formulate a new strategy to deal with this new terror surge in the hilly areas of Jammu region. Even as we are talking right now, top cops from Jammu and Kashmir as well as from Punjab are holding an important meeting at district police lines in Katwa. J&K DGP R.R. Swain and Punjab DGP Gaurav Yadav are holding important security meeting in which intelligence officials are also present. Top officials from the BSF are also present. So the government, the security agencies are trying their level best to, deal with this new wave of terrorism. But given the terrain of these areas where these terror activities, these terror attacks are taking place, it's emerging as a big challenge, and that is why Omar Abdullah is saying that the government has totally failed as far as combating terrorism is concerned, and abrogation of Article 370 had nothing to do with combating terrorism. Nabila, back to you.
All right. Well, that's Omar Abdullah, who's spoken about the recent terror strikes, saying that India has multiple times carried out strikes against Pakistan, but what really has happened, the outcome hasn't been as desired.